Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about the topic electric dipole and electric dipole moment. Already saw that last class electric charge, electric field intensity, electric field lines. What do you mean electric charge? The electric charge carried by the electron. The electric charge carried by the electron. The electric charge unit coulomb. The charge of electron 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Electric charge movement change from material to material. Some example materials are classified into three categories: conductors, insulator, semiconductors. What do you mean conductor? Conductor conduct the electricity to pass through them. Conductors to allow the electricity to pass through them. Example, all metals. Insulator do not conduct the electricity to pass through them. Example, ebonite, glass, stone, rubber, plastic. Next, and then semiconductor partially conduct the electricity. Example, semiconducting material, germanium, silicon. Now introducing dielectric. What do you mean dielectric? The dielectric, another name, insulator. The dielectric is a non-conducting material and has no free electron. The electron in a dielectric are found within atoms. The dielectric material, number of electrons present in the material, but the electrons not moving from one place to another place. For some example, the energy band, the electron not moving from valence band to conduction band to valence band. Here, the charge particles do not move. The dielectric made up of either polar molecule or non-polar molecule. Okay, there are two types of motion. Trip-to motion. The trip-to motion maximum in conductors. Next, and then dipole moment, dipole motion. What do you mean electric dipole? Two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance, they constitute an electric dipole. That's called electric dipole. Let us consider the two charge particles, one charge plus q and then minus q. Consider two equal and opposite point charges plus q and then minus q that are separated by a distance 2a. Here the distance plus q, distance the midpoint, to plus q distance a, the midpoint to minus q distance a, the total distance 2a. The electric dipole definition: two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance that constitute an electric dipole. Next, and then electric dipole moment. Let us consider two charges plus q minus q separated by a distance 2a. The electric dipole moment is P is equal to 2qa. Its vector quantity. The dipole moment is given by two charges plus q and then minus q. The distance 2a. The product of the magnitude of any one of the charges and the distance between them. SI unit, coulomb meter. The line joining two charges and is directed from minus q to plus q. Here, P vector is equal to minus q a minus I position vector plus the charges q a, the position vector I, minus and minus plus to a into a plus a, 2a, the charge common vector is a, the position vector I, the charge moving from minus q to plus q. The electric dipole example: water, ammonia, carbon dioxide, and HCl. For simplicity, the two charges are placed on the x-axis, even if the two charges are placed on y or z-axis. The dipole moment will point from minus q to plus q. The magnitude of the electric dipole moment is equal to the product of the magnitude of one of the charges and the distance between them. B vector is equal to 2qa. Though the electric dipole moment for two equal and opposite charges is defined, it is very general. It is possible to define and calculate the electric dipole moment for a single charge, two positive charges, two negative charges, and also for more than two charges. For a collection of n point charges, the electric dipole moment is defined as follows. The electric dipole moment maximum used in field lines.